DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shut selector boy.
Gang. What's good, YouTube gang? You already know what time it is, man. You already see what we're doing today, gang. The Dan is back in the lab. You see me, I'm not changing, man. You don't know when the Dan in the lab, but we are doing it. You know, we got banger reactions and some banger tunes are found. You see me, I say, gang. And today is no exception. Yeah, man. Today we're there in our building. We're back with an artist that's no stranger to the channel. Today we're there with Rymey Gad. The one named That Is It. You see me, I say. And this one was actually requested by one of Dan Mafia member them, you know, you see me, yeah man, Dan Mafia big up on yourself, now as I drop the request them. You see me, I say, and I show the love and support. I appreciate y'all commenting, you see me, and keeping the dialogue going in the comment section. You already know, gang, we're on our way to 10k subs before the year done, gang. Hit the like and subscribe button, you see me, I say, see if you can help me boy hit 10k before January. My birthday's in January, gang. Help me 10k before then. You see me, I say, yeah man, and you know, stop. Big up to John Lopez and John Lopez, user NBA 85. The one named Hayovasant. You see me, I say HVVDLM and Davey and Matthew. Shout out to you guys, man. Y'all requested that one. You see me, I say a lot of y'all requesting Rymey Gad, so I got you. More videos coming. You see me, I say we're not going to hold up the vibes much longer. I jump right. Rymey Gad, That Is It. You see me, I say he's been doing great. You see me, I say so. We're not going to hold up the vibe much longer, man. Let's get it. Rymey Gad, That Is It. Let's get it, gang.
God.
Ash code, come in.
Ravers.
Ravers, ding dang. This Ravers link to ding dang.
Did hungry but me take it by. Did hungry but me take it by. You tire last. Buy a big fat crown with the top of crack. Keep the gun with flying, make your mother rock.
Yeah.
I make your girl rock.
Bokla man say me D hungry but me take it by a dialogue. Come in now, man.
Hungry so me take it by.
That, woo.
Did hungry client to be fine.
Yeah.
Did hungry so me have to die. Did have to die.
Did have to dial. Come in. This look like it crazy, bro. I like the build up. I'm telling you, no say me big pan build up and intro, you know.
Did have to die. Jaja. Me used to push the bike when he gas done. Now a big gun pan he gas boom. 80 grand and no nothing for the brag bow. Regular, that's how me nigga jag down. I'm a fuck a rich bitch, come on handsome. Flick out me the car, she flick on the condom.
I used to think there with no gas. You see me now, me have a crown for the gas pump. Oh, I'm your dog. Yo, yeah.
Now a big gun pan he.
Oh, yeah, need a flicky bike with the gas done.
Jaja. Me used to push the bike when he gas done. Now a big gun pan he
Gas pump. Actually, no, my life changes. Come in.
The grand and no nothing for the brag bow. Regular, that's how me nigga jag down. I'm a fuck a rich bitch, come on handsome. Flick out me the car, she flick on the condom. She want to stick by me call it ransom.
Bad bitch call me handsome. Come in now, man. Oh, I'm Theo, man. Come in now, man. Oh, I'm Theo.
Chopper Steve, I'm a rich chopper random. That is it. That is it. What is it? Your girl has out the car, she can't manage it. That is it. That is it, what is it? Me beat me alright and me bang book tick, that is it.
Ballap, that is it, that's it. That is it. The girl and she can't manage it, that is it. Me girl, hey, I'm Theo.
Condom, she want to stick by me call it ransom. Rich off a Steve and me rich off a random.
Random, come in.
That is it. That is it, what is it? Your girl has out the car, she can't manage it. That is it. That is it, what is it? Me beat me alright and me bang book tick. That is it.
Beat me alright and me bang book tick. That is it.
That is it.
That
Watch
is really
it fix. Watch it fix. Watch it whip. Watch it whip. Watch it brick. I watch your bitch. I watch it brick. That is it. You no see it. Say we rich. You no see it. Say me to that.
Your bitch. I watch it brick, brother. You no see it. Come in.
I no to talk. Simple thing fi me killer make it all back. Sin fi win so me killer them a choose fraud. Cash good job beast and make it shoot up.
Sin fi win some. The killer them a. Hey, easy now, man.
And I AJ with them in my moonwalk. So me take a page from Steve and make a gun ball. No depend pan beach, me a my own boss. I never rinse all tweet when me go tour.
Depend pan a beach, bro.
Watch it fix.
We are we own boss around here. You see me, I want to them, man. Yeah, man, we do it. Hey, Hey, Rymey Gad go on, you know. We still want to rate Rymey Gad, so come in. Let's get it.
Say we rich, you know, see, say me too dark, I know too talk. Simple thing fi me killer, make it all back. Sin fi win, so me killer, them a choose fraud. Cash good, job beast, and make it shoot.
Yeah, man, sin for win some. They killer, them a choose fraud. You see me I say, yeah man, this man say yo cash code at the real, but hey, come in.
Sin fi win, so me killer, them a choose fraud. Cash good, job beast, and make it shoot off. And I AJ
Beast, I make it show top. Come in, man.
with them in my moonwalk, so me take a page from Steve and make a gun ball. No depend pan beach, me a my own boss. I never rinse all weed when me go tour now. Man a chop cheese, chop and at lead. Big dirty Benz with
I got drop cheese, drop a at lead. Rymey Gad! Rymey, come in.
tour now. Man a chop cheese, chop and at lead. Big dirty Benz with the top of chop breeze. Lead down the fence, a build up a concrete. A coat a chase, put it in a magazine. 80,000 we come in.
Out a cheese, but he in a magazine. Come in.
That at least, but if 80,000 a come in, you a miss. I mean, no for sure, say if leads not do it. 4-1-1 a ball, panny line, till it play.
Easy now, man. Easy now, man. Man say, if you not the leads 4-1-1, you see me, I be a... Hey, come in.
Gas done. No a big stone, panny gas
Oh.
boat. 80 grand, and no nothing for them.
That boat.
Regular.
You don't mean that jack dog. But my man say, me used to push the bike when he gas down. No a big crown upon the gas pump. Hey, regular me dad and jack down that. Come on.
Bitch, come on, phone, pick up me, the cash, click on the candle.
That is it. Yeah, girl. I can't.
That is it. That is it. What is it? Your girl has out the cash, she can't manage it. That is it. That is it. What is it? Me pick me alright and me bang book tick. That is it.
Big up your damn self. What you mean? Me pick me alright and me bank book tick. Yeah, man.
That is it. Watch it fix. Watch it fix. Watch it whip. Watch it whip. Watch it brick. I watch your bitch. I watch it brick. That is it. You know see it. Say we rich. You know see say me. Eat hungry so me take it by. You know see say me.
Need hungry so me take your bike. Yeah,
Hungry so me take it by.
die la.
Buy a big fat crown with it.
Yeah. Easy now, man.
Alone for my mother shop.
Yeah. Come in,
I
man.
make your girl a rap.
Bro, back to it, man. I'm back in motion, man. Back to doing what I love, man. I ain't gonna stop for shit. Ain't nobody stopping this, man. We the latest reaction channel upon YouTube, gang. You see me, I'm afraid I make it this far in the video, like and subscribe button. Make them stop playing with it, that mafia. We need to hit 10K this year. You see me, 10K subs this year. Bro, 10K subs this year. Before the year done, you see me, before January, before my birthday, we need to hit 10K. And gang, put some respect on our name, man. Put some respect on your name. You've been supporting the channel. Time for we 10K, man. I level up. You see me, but then stop playing with it. We are the latest reaction channel, you know. You see me, best reactions. You see me, best, most entertaining. We there, man, a vibe, man. I'm going to enjoy. Time for we 10K, time for we 20K, time for we 30K, time for we get 50K, 100K, a milli. You see me, I say, gang, yeah, man, let's get it. Let's go hard, man, put in that work. You already know what time it is, gang. Yeah, man, till next time. You don't know your boy Jambisco. If you like it, definitely show the artist some love and support. Make you know, so I said dancing, you know. You see me, I say. Let me know what your favorite part was. Beats, lyrics, melody, all that good stuff. Yeah, man, and let's get a dialogue going. Let's just chop it up. But you don't know, gang. Till next time, gang, take care of yourself and each other. The most important part is each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.